Oatmeal pumpkin seed bread in the toaster oven, version 2. Dr. John A. Allocca. July 5, 24. www.allocca.com. Endorsed by Chef Pucci. See recipe in the comment section. 3 cups water. 1/2 teaspoon sea salt. 4 tablespoons organic extra virgin olive oil. 2 tablespoons honey. 1 cup whole pumpkin seeds. 1 tablespoon rosemary. 1 cup rolled oats. 5 cups organic unbleached white flour. 1 teaspoon xanthan gum. 2 tablespoons baking powder. In a bowl, add water, salt, oil, and honey. Mix well with a wooden spoon or electric mixer with dough hooks on low speed. Add remaining ingredients. Mix well. Add more flour or water if the mixture is too watery or too dry. Toaster oven, 1500 to 1800 watts. Pour dough into an oiled 9 by 9 by 2 inch pan or a loaf pan or use parchment paper. Bake for 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or until the top is brown. Allow to cool on a wire rack. It is really important to use organic flour because non-organic flour may contain glyphosate, Roundup, which can lead to food allergies and sensitivities. 100 grams equals approximately 44 grams carbohydrates and 250 calories. Chef Pucci and Dr. John wish you health and happiness. Buon appetito! Visit www.allocca.com for more recipes and information on the Andromeda Connection, a journey to physical and mental wellness.